Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy purple cat eye. It's beautiful, it's easy, you can use any colors of your choice. All the products that I've used for this eye makeup look is mentioned in the description box below as always, so don't forget to check that out. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lid with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige so that the eyeshadows don't budge. I'm going to blend it well. To set the concealer, I'm going to use Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm using the dabbing motion to dab that concealer in place. And once you're done, to create the sharp wing cat eye, I'm going to use a cello tape or a tape to get the crisp edge, and I'm using Inglot's gel liner in the shade 77. It's the darkest black gel liner, guys, to carve out that outer portion of the cat eye or the wing area. So I'm going to use small strokes to create that cat eye look, and I'm going to fill it in. You need not be perfect here because we are going to blend it all in later, so just keep on creating that wing liner or the cat eye and fill it in. Now because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to go slightly over my natural crease area, and I'm just trying to carve out that cat eye. And once I'm happy with it, I'm going to go with this beautiful purple shade from the Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette in the inner 3/4 area. So I have used some setting spray onto my brush, and I'm using that shade all over the lid. So I'm going to go slightly over my natural crease as I said earlier. And to set that gel liner in place, I'm going to dab some black eyeshadow over it, and with the same black shadow I'm going to blend the purple and the black in so that it looks well blended. Now to define my brows, I'm going to use this brow definer by the Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. For the concealer for the under eyes, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade Tawny. I'm going to use very little product and then use the beauty blender to blend it well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use some loose powder under the eye area so that there won't be fallout from the shadows that I'll be applying. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette and this beautiful shade of fuchsia pink, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Lakme's Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Black. This is also a beautiful shade of black. I'm going to use it both on my upper and lower lash line and smoke it out with that pink color. Now if you see that outer part of that cat eye, it looks a little weird, so I'm going to fix that in place. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the highlight shade for under the brow bone area and on my inner corner. I'll be curling my lashes, and then I'm going to apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. You can go ahead and add false lashes if you would like to. I prefer my original lashes. and very easy to create. Do give this a try and do let me know in the comment section below if you like this look or what can I improve in my videos. And there are 2 other cat eye makeup looks that I have created. Do check that out on my YouTube channel if you like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Shimmers and Polishes. Until next time, take care, have fun, be beautiful, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bye.